going to take a look at some of these lilies that we grew this year. Sad it's later in the season, so our greenhouse is closed at the end of June, so we can't put any of these out, but there's a lot of neat lilies that we have. There's tiger lilies, oriental lilies, these are all in 2-gallon pots. We're done by bulbs. Go around here through the water and take a look at the other side. These right here are hibiscus. They're the mahoganies, so they're darker leaves. These lilies do really good every year, but like we said, it's sad that it's so late in the season and our greenhouse is closed. Just wanted you to take a look at all the lilies we did in 2026.